Easy1Up, which is owned by a rock-solid 16-year-old company, which, by the way, has an A rating with the Better Business Bureau. So rest assured that you're dealing with a reputable company allowing you to launch your new business and confidently plant your seeds of hope for a truly incredible lifestyle. Easy1Up, also referred to as E1U, will be supplying and delivering the awesome products you'll be selling, providing the business opportunity you'll be participating in, and is responsible for managing and tracking all the compensation plan activity so your commissions are always accurate and on time. One, give one, keep one. Your goal is to get 2 people as quickly as possible. Okay, so here we go. Your first sale, Connie, pays you, and your second one, Bob, passes up to your inviter, Tom. We believe that with the power of this system, you can do that in your first week. So at the end of week 1, you have $500 back in your account, and you passed up your second sale, so you're qualified to earn up to $500 on every personal sale from here on out. Congratulations. Now all you need to do is focus on getting just 1 new person every week. Only 1 new person. Assuming everyone on your team keeps the same timeline, the plan begins to unfold like this. Week 2. You get a new personal sale, Arlo. Remember, 1 a week. And just like you passed up your second sale, Bob, to your inviter, Connie, your first member from week 1 gives or passes up her second sale, named Derek, to you. Boom! The leverage and passive income element has begun. So that's 2 sales in your second week for $1,000. Week 3. Again, you get a new personal sale, Jim. Next, Arlo from week 2 is now qualifying by giving you his second sale, George. But here's the cool part. Remember Derek, the pass-up sale you got last week? He just got his second sale too, Julie, which passes up to you. So that's 3 sales this week for $1,500, and you only made 1 personal sale. Week 4. Of course, you're firing on all cylinders now, so you refer another new personal sale, Holly, like you do every week. And then your personal referral, Jim, from last week qualifies by giving you his second sale, Irene. But that's not all, because here comes some cash flow from George and Julie's efforts, those 2 pass-up sales you got in week 3. They both qualify by passing up another sale each, John and Jack. So that's 4 sales in week 4 for a total of $2,000. Really? You just banked $2,000 in a single week, and you've only been in this business for 1 month. You've literally gotten a raise each week as you earned more than the week before. What options could that create for you and your family? Maybe quit a second job, go part-time, or even leave your current job altogether? Okay, let's keep going because the income is growing and getting better each week. Week 5. Like clockwork, you refer a new personal sale, Larry. Then your personal referral, Holly, from week 4 qualifies by giving you her second sale, Mona. Then the 3 pass-up sales you got from last week, Irene, John, and Jack, all qualify by passing up 1 sale each for 3 more $500 sales to you. Time to celebrate because you got a $500 raise from last week. Cha-ching! $2,500 in your account for the week, and you just started month 2. The process continues, and you bank a cool $3,000 in week 6. By the end of 12 weeks, you've banked a whopping $39,000, and it's growing every week. Not by working 40, 50, or even 60 hours per week for someone else who tells you how much you can make, tells you when you can come and go, or when you can have a vacation.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
No, you cranked out almost $40,000 in a mere fraction of the time and with a fraction of the work. We're talking about 1 to 2 hours a day tops. Because if you were paying attention, you'll realize that most of the income was from other people's efforts, not your own. Now, we fully understand that this is a perfectly duplicated example, and your actual income will be more or less. But riddle me this, Batman. What if you and your entire team joined at the $1,000 level instead of the $500 level? Your income would double, and you'd have $78,000 in your account instead of $39,000. By the way, that is with 0 extra work. Think about it. What happens as your income grows? Not just for 12 weeks, but for 12 months. Oh yeah, what if you and your team actually made more than 1 sale in a week? Ha! The income potential is off the charts. Seriously, this is mind-blowing, and we've made it so ridiculously easy that the only way you can really fail is to do what? Absolutely nothing. Just for full disclosure, even though we believe everyone can easily make 1 new sale per week, If you're really part-time or new, that's okay. Take this chart out from 12 weeks to 12 months. We think you'll agree that $39,000 to $78,000 in a year is a great extra income for a very part-time effort. Now that you know you can generate life-changing income, you also need to understand the Easy1Up business. You'll be selling a very valuable educational product line. Everything is digital, so there's no stocking or shipping of any products. There's thousands of hours of educational video trainings designed to take you through a step-by-step process to become a successful entrepreneur and ultimately help you make a lot more money. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, you'll have 24/7 access to this content and can delve in at your own pace.